right, so we've also brought one of our other products, the Ninja grease eating product, which is food friendly. Go ahead and tell us about that product, Ben. How do you like that one? How does it compare and how do you use it?
Now, that one we use a lot on really sensitive metal surfaces like stainless steel. Now, whereas other degreasers, you can't really use degreaser on stainless steel because it takes off the shine and it leaves sort of a white streak that kind of makes it look dirty, not clean. Whereas the Ninja is really, it's powerful, but it does not take off the shine, so it does not leave that white streak that makes everything look dirty. Right, and that's the perfect chemical. We use that a lot on the backsplash, which is actually behind the stove and everything, where a lot of grease actually gathers. And you spray that on, you wipe it right off, it cleans and it shines, and it is just phenomenal.
Awesome. Thanks, Ben.